Hello everyone, today we will discuss about the data type. This is the second part of our unit 3rd, values and data type. This is the second part. So let me know what is the data type. Data type, that means type of data. In the data type, we can define which type of values we can use, which type of data. Here example, a is equal to 4. That means in a memory, the value of a is 4. But in the next statement, a equal to k. This is a integer constant. This is a integer constant. This is a character constant. This is a string, and this is a float or real. These are the different types of value that is store a same variable, that is a. A is equal to 4, then next a is equal to k, then next a is equal to star, so it is store star. So next one is a equal to 4.3219, so it is store 4.3219. So what is the data type of a? What is the data type of a? Data type defined by that value. Here 4 is a integer constant, so the data type of a is integer. Here k is a character constant, so the data type of a is character. So a equal to star, that is a string. In previous class I will discuss about the what is constant, character constant, integer constant, string and float. So please watch my previous video. Here a is equal to 4.219. 4.3219 is a float. So the data type of a is float. Here the data type of a is string. Here the 4 different type of data type of a variable a. So next we discuss about the type of a data type. Firstly, the data type is divided into 2 types. First is primitive, second is non-primitive. Primitive or non-primitive. What is primitive? Primitive, that means independent data type. Primitive is the independent data type, or non-primitive is dependent data type. When we dependent, it is a dependent to a primitive data type. Primitive is independent or non-primitive is dependent data type. So now the primitive data type is further divided into 2 types, numeric and non-numeric. The independent data type divided into 2 types, numeric or non-numeric data type. What is the example of numeric and non-numeric? Here the example of non-numeric is character or boolean, and the numeric is integer, float or double. So firstly, data type divided into 2 types, primitive or non-primitive. Primitive is independent or non-primitive is dependent. So primitive data type is further divided into 2 types, numeric data type or non-numeric data type. So numeric data type is integer, float or double. Non-numeric data type is character or boolean. Here non-primitive data type is class, array or interface. In the previous class I am discussing about the class. Class is a data type of our program. So next we discuss about the primitive data type. Here the primitive data type. The primitive data type is a basic or fundamental data type. The primitive data type is divided into 2 parts. First is numeric and second one is non-numeric. So firstly we discuss about the numeric data type. Numeric, that means number. In the numeric, NUM in the form of number. Number, that means any number. 4, 53, minus 7.1, 3.2, 43.569. These are the number. In the numeric, contain a number. There are 2 types. Integer. Firstly, integer. Integer, that means a variable can contain integer literals. Literal, that means constant. Constant, that means never change a value or variable, change a value. So integer contain a integer value. For example, here a equal to 3. A equal to 3. 3 is a literals. Which type of literal? It is a integer literals. A is a variable. So what is the data type of A? Because A is containing integer literals, so that's why data type of A is integer. Here also B equal to 45. B containing 45. 45 is also a integer literals. Integer, these are the example of integer literals. Integer literals. So the data type of B is also a integer. Here C is equal to 394. 394 is also a integer. So the data type of C is integer. Here D is equal to minus 36. Minus 36 is a integer value. So the data type of D is integer. Why we write only int? Why we cannot write all integer? Because the keyword of a integer is int. We don't write integer. It is a wrong. Only we can write integer in a small letter because int is a keyword. Int is a keyword, and keyword we can write only in a small letter, not a capital letter. The keyword of integer is int. So next type of numeric data type is float. Here float. Float, that means fractional value or floating point. Fractional value or floating point. Here the example of fractional value is here. A is equal to 6 point. Point, that means it contains the point value or fractional value. A is equal to 6.32. This is a fractional value. Fractional, that means float value. This is a float constant. Float constant. A contain a float constant. That's why the data type of A is float. Here also B is equal to minus 6.39495 point value. Take. So the value of B is minus 6.39495. This is also a float constant. So the data type of B is float. So next 0.45. It is also a float literals. So the data type of C is float. Here the A, B, C are the float type variable. A, B, C are the float type variable. So what is the keyword of float? The keyword of float is float, not change. Integer, the keyword of integer is int, but the keyword of float is float in a small letter. There here is F in a small letter. So the next and the last primitive data type is double. Primitive, that means numeric. The last numeric data type is double. Here also contain a fractional number but void range. Void range, that means in a float only contain the 7 digit. Only contain a 7 digit. Here the example of float is 6.394. It contain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digit. 5 digit. After point it contain a 5 digits. So it is a float. But if we can write 1.943, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It is greater than 7. It is greater than 7. So it is not a float value. It contains a double value. It is a double value. So that this is called a double constant. This is called a double constant. Here K is store a double constant. So the data type of K is double in a small letter. The keyword of a double is double in a small letter. Here also we can check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here it contains 10 digit. So it is a double. But let me take another example. Suppose A 4.923677. How many digit? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many? Total 7 digit. So what is the data type of A? it contains 7 digits, so the data type of A is float. But if we contain 8 digits, so the data type can change. The data type of A is double. If we contain a greater than 7 digit, if it contain only 7 digit or less than 7 digit, then the data type of float. But we contain more than 7 digit, then the data type is double. Here the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here is a total 8 digit. So the data type of M is double. So next one exercise question, identify the data type of values related to the only primitive type, primitive numeric type. Here the example, minus 9.4. What is the data type of this value? This is exercise question for you, but now I am discussing that question also. Minus 94, this is an integer value. This is an integer value because it not contain any point value. Next, 4.392. Here contain a 4 and the digit is 1, 2, 3. Only 3, less than 7. It is a less than 7. So it is a float value. Float value. Next one is minus 173.762195. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is also a 6 digit. Only 6 digit, that means again less than 7. So it is also a float. Here 0.00000001. How many digit? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It is a greater than 8. It is a greater than 8. So it is a double type of value. Double type of value. Double, what is the difference between float and double? Float, that means it contains 7 or less than 7. But in a double it contains more than 7. Now next is 6794. This is also a integer value because it not contain any point or fractional value. Here the last one is 495.6798975392. How many digit? 1, 2. You can count after point, not included before. After point value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here is a 10 digit. So it is also a double type value. It is also a double type value. Now numeric type is completed. Discuss about the integer, float and double. Let me discuss about the non-numeric, character and boolean data type. Firstly we know what is numeric type. Here non-numeric type. Non, that means no. No. Numeric, that means number. No numbers. No number, that means it deal with not a number. Only a character or set of character. Non-numeric type is deal with a character or set of character. It doesn't contain any number. Example is X. This is a character. M. This is also a character. Computer. This is a set of character. Combination of character or set of character. Here AB is also a set of character. So non-numeric type is further divided into two types. First one is character and the second one is boolean. So character type, the character contain single letter, single digit, single symbol in a single code. It is most compulsory for the character type value. It contain letter, digit or symbol. Here we can discuss about the it does not contain any number, but I am writing the it contain a digit. Digit, that means number. But here is a one condition. What that condition? That condition is single quote. Here we can write only number. Suppose 41. This is a number. But when we can write in single quote or double quote, now it can change. It can change. It is not a number. It is a string or character. If we can write any number in single quote or double quote, so it is not a number. Now it is a character or string. So character, that means contain single letter, single digit or single symbol. Single letter, that means A to Z, anything, capital or small. single digit, that means 0 to 9, any number. Single symbol, special symbol, that means any special symbols. For example, @ star, comma, hash. These are the example of special symbol. Next, we discuss about the example of character. Here, A equal to P. What is P? P, that is a letter in a single quote. So, A is a variable. A is a variable. It is a letter, or what it is called? Constant. Which type of constant? It is a character constant, because it is in single quote, that is called character constant. And A is a variable. A variable store a character constant. So the data type of A is character. Data type of A is character. Next, B equal to Z. Z, again, it is a constant. Which type of constant? It is a letter in capital letter, capital Z. So it is also a constant. Which type of constant? Character constant. Why it is character? Because it is in a single quote. So the data type of B is character. Data type of B is character. Third example is C equal to 9. Here the 9 is a number or digit, but in that time it is in single quote. So now it is not a digit. When a number in a single quote, so it is not a digit. Now it is a character. Which type of character? So it is a digit in a character. So the data type of C is character, because 9 is in that time 9 is a character. Next is D equal to 0, that is 0, not O. 0 is also a digit, but in a single quote, so it is also a character. And what is the data type of that? The data type of D is char. Next one is E. E is a star, contain star. It is a special symbol. Special symbol in single quote. Special symbol in a single quote. Again, single quote. Here single quote. So the data type of E is char. The last example is F equal to @. It is also a symbol in a single quote. So the data type of F is again character, char. Why we write only char? Why we can not write that character? Because the keyword of character is char. Char, that means character in a small letter. So we only write character. If we can write whole character, this is a error. You cannot write all character. You can only write the char, char, char. The keyword of character is char. So next we discuss about the second type of non-numeric. What is the second type of non-numeric type? First one is character. So the second one is Boolean. Second one is Boolean type. Boolean, that means true or false. A variable that contain a true value or false value, that is a Boolean. It is a very simple data type, Boolean. If B is equal to true, that means that is true. So what is the data type of B? The data type of B is Boolean. But remember one thing, a Boolean data type not contain any single quote or double quote. If we can write true in single quote, so that is not a Boolean. If we can write true in double quote, that is also not a Boolean, because Boolean, that means only contain true or false without any quote. Here M is equal to false, so it is also a Boolean. What is the keyword of Boolean? The keyword of Boolean is Boolean. In Boolean, there is no change, but only in small letter, not in capital letter. So the next exercise question, identify the data type of value. Identify the data type of value. Here 3 is number, but in a single quote. 3 is a number, but in a single quote. So what is the data type of 3? The data type of 3 is character, because character contains single letter, single digit, single alphabet numbers in single quote, so it is a character. Here 49 is also a number but in a double quote, so contain double quote, so it is a string. Next 56.9431, so it is a contain point, that means how many digit? 1 2 3 4 digit, less than 7. So what is the data type? This is a float value, this is a float constant. Next minus 36.110023, how many digit? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, so here 8 digit. So what is the data type of that value? Is double. Next true. Here we discuss about the true and false, so it is very easy for you. True. What is the data type of true? The data type of true is Boolean. Next, oh my god, again one true, but now it is in double quote. So what is the difference between those true? It is in nothing in quote or it is in double quote. So here anything in double quote, so what is called? String. So now it is a string. Here A and N, but in a single quote. So anything in single quote, that is a character. But in single digit, single alphabet or single symbol, but here is a two alphabet, 1 or 2 in single quote, so not a character, not a string, nothing. Next double quote. In double quote there are blank space, nothing in between, so this is also a string. That is also a string, that is null string. This is called null string because it doesn't contain any value, so it is a null string. Here next one is single quote, nothing in between, but in a single quote, so it is also a character. This is also a null character because it doesn't contain anything. Here 0, it is a digit but not in a single quote, not in a double quote, both are different. So this is a integer. And the last one is 0.0. It is a float. It is a float value. Which type of float value? Null integer value, null float value. Here the last 4 one is the example of null string, null character, null integer or null float. This is the enough for data type. Thank you.